In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Word doc with track changes in a Microsoft Word document for Windows computers. Exporting a Word document with track changes and comments preserved is useful when you need to share a document while keeping a clear record of edits and feedback. This allows collaborators or reviewers to see the changes and comments in the exported PDF. Begin by opening your Word document. Open the document that contains the track changes and comments you want to preserve. Before exporting, it can be helpful to review the document and clean up any changes or comments that are no longer needed. If you want to accept or reject tracked changes, go to the Review tab. In the Changes group, use the Accept or Reject buttons to review each change and decide how it should be handled. You can also remove comments that are no longer necessary. To do this, click the comment in the document, then use the available options in the Comments group on the Review tab. This helps make sure the document contains only the revisions and feedback you actually want to keep. Once you are ready to export the document, click File in the top left corner of the Word window. From the menu, select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, look for the list of file formats next to the Save button, and choose PDF as the format. Next, click Options to open the PDF Options dialog box. Here, review the available settings and make sure they are configured appropriately for your document. Under Document Properties, ensure that metadata such as the title, author, and other document properties are filled out correctly. Check that this information is accurate. You may also see an option for document structure tags for accessibility. Depending on your needs, make sure this option is selected if you want the PDF to be accessible. These tags help accessibility tools understand the document. After checking the options, choose the location where you want to save the PDF file. Enter a suitable file name for the PDF document, and then click Save. Word will convert the document and save it as a PDF using the settings you selected. Once complete, the PDF will be saved in the location you specified, ready to share with the revisions and comments you need. And that's it! You now know how to export a Word document as a PDF while preserving the revisions and comments you need. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.